So Freepik just released their new custom character feature, which allows users to train a unique custom character and then generate images of that character. Now, I've previously done a video showcasing how to do this using Replicate's FluxDev LoRa trainer, but I wanted to see how good the results come out using Freepik's version and also compare my overall experience. All right, first let's generate a character of ourselves. So let's head to Freepik's website and we want to scroll down here where it says AI image generator. We want to click into that. It redirects us here. We want to go over here where it says character, and then over here where it says new character. Now over here it says use 12 to 24 images, though 5 to 25 can also work. Now here are the images that I used, and this was a very simple photo shoot. Find a well-lit room and make sure that the background is white, and you can use your iPhone to take the images. Once you've uploaded them onto your computer, you can literally just click here and find the folder where you've got the images, highlight all of them and click open. And there we have it. Now we have all of the images uploaded. Now let's have a look at the two options for quality. So the first one is high, better quality, balanced speed, ideal for styles. The other one is ultra, where it says superior quality, slower, ideal for detailed, precise work. I went with the ultra option. Now, this action will consume 5,500 credits. So if we go to their subscription plans, the one that I selected is premium, which is about $25 Australian. And for the US price, I think it's about 16 US. So that gives me 18,000 credits. So that's enough to, one, generate the character, and it'll give me enough to generate images after. Now keep in mind, you can obviously cancel this once you've finished. And also as well, you could even reduce it to the essential, which gives you about 7,000 credits. Obviously make sure you name the character as well. I've selected my name, Danny, and what's my gender? Well, it's not neutral, it's male. And you can click create. Now I've already trained a character of myself, and it took about, I would say 5 to 10 minutes, which was actually quicker than Replicate's model. So when I select my actual character, what will happen is you'll see it selected here and you'll see my name in the prompt. So all you have to do now is just write a prompt, and I've written walking into a bar dressed as a cowboy. And this option here, AI prompt, improve short prompts and generate diverse variations. So let's select that as well. And for the dimension, I'm going to do a 16:9 widescreen, and let's click generate. So here are the 4 examples. Now, unfortunately, it's the back of me, so that's not going to really help. This one, you can obviously see it is me. Let me generate another image just quickly. All right, this time around, I changed it. I wrote close-up shot sitting at a bar, holding a whiskey and smoking a cigarette. All right, so it's generated 4 more images of me. Obviously this one here, it's generated me as a girl. I'm not a girl. So maybe I have to actually make sure that I write a man as well so it doesn't do it. But let's have a look. Obviously it's not the best shot, but I mean, look at that. That is literally my head from all of those images that I used. This one, yep, kind of cringe. Then this one's me as a girl, Jesus Christ. And then, yeah, here's another one of me as well. So, all right, so those 2 images didn't come out too well, but have a look at the other images that I was able to generate earlier. Now let me show you how to generate a unique AI generated character. First, you need to generate the initial image of the character, okay? And here's the model and character that I was able to generate using this prompt. Now, just like before, we're gonna need more images of that character to train a model. So I'm actually gonna head to Replicate where we have consistent character. And what this is going to do is going to allow me to generate more images of that character. So we just go here where we can upload the image. Where is it? Here it is here. Okay, so we got the image uploaded. For the prompt, enter the same prompt that you used to generate the model. Down here, you're going to see number of outputs, okay? For this example, I'm just going to do 7 because I already have this, but remember as well, you're going to need about 25 to 20 images. So what I would recommend everyone does, go over here and go to 20 and see how many images you get. Make sure you've got PNG selected and let's run. And here it is. Here's another image that's generated of the same character. Because I selected 5 outputs, for some reason, sometimes it doesn't generate all 5. So I was only able to get 1. So like I said, select 20. And for me, I did it about 3 times and I got about 20 images after that. Save all the images and upload them just like before. And for the character name, let's call her Helga. I don't know why, but Helga, that name makes me laugh. Select female, same thing, ultra, and click create character. So just like before, I have another character that's been generated called Helga that I can select, and you can see her, she's in the prompts as well. Now here are the results that I was able to generate using the Helga character. All right, so now you know how to generate a character of yourself, and now you know how to generate a unique AI generated character. Now let me show you how to generate a scene using one of the characters within Freepik. This is very important, especially if you want to create a story video using the character. Let me first break up the prompt that I'm going to use, okay? The first thing I want you to enter into the prompt is the character appearance. This is obvious. What is the character going to look like? Next, we need the setting. Obviously, where is the actual shot going to be done? The camera angle as well, and this is something that will be changed in every shot. And the moment, which means what is actually happening in the actual scene involving the character. So we want to select the character and then paste the prompt, and then we can click generate. Now for the second shot, you do the same thing. The only thing that changes is the setting, the camera angle in the moment. Copy that, paste it again, and generate it. So here's the example that I did earlier today. This was the first shot, which was a close-up, and obviously she looks exactly the same in the second shot. And then obviously the third shot as well, we've changed the setting, the angle, but you can see there it's consistent across all 3 shots. So that's the blueprint of how to generate a scene of a short film or video. So what are my final thoughts using this tool? In comparison to doing this with Replicate's FluxDev LoRa Trainer, I found this more simple to use, and it was actually much quicker. The image quality comes out good, and I'm able to use this in story videos, converting the images to videos. Would I recommend this over Replicate's version? Yeah, sure. Yeah, why not? Look, I guess it works just as good, but I guess the easier thing is that you're using it inside Freepik. So it's really just whatever your preference is. But yeah, look, I would say this is the more user-friendly one. As always, I finish my video showing you my favorite generations that I come across on X, and I'll leave you guys to it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.